So you're going to find this little house shape with the stars in your box, and we're going to take painter's tape and put it on the inside, blocking out the stars and leaving the outside rim to be painted. Once you have this all blocked out, you're going to take your Republic Red and a dabber and go around the edge. I don't really wait till my paint is dry and I take the painter's tape off, and then you do want to wait for the exterior to be dry. Once fully dry, you're going to go and take your painter's tape and run it around the border, leaving the stars exposed. And now you're going to need something small. I probably would not use a sponge unless you cut it down. I'm going to use these small dabbers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to do the Bowie and every other star, and then the white and the remaining ones. Once I have the coverage I want, I'm going to remove the painter's tape. And allow this to dry completely. So I picked up this pack at Dollar General. It was a pack of 3. I believe this was a little over $5, or we will post a link for Amazon. And you're going to take the plastic cover off by just sliding it. You take the bulb out. You take this slide-on thing off. You push this down. Put the stopper back on, which is going to hold your plastic or your piece of wood here. And then you're going to put the bulb back in. You're going to dispose of this part, or you can put it aside in case you ever decide not to use the wood plate part. Then I'm going to take my glue, place a little bit across the tab on the top and on the bottom. Then I'm going to take this and you're going to put the tab in through the front. And you're going to have to hold it because you can see and then I'm going to try to dab off some of this glue that's coming through the front. You're going to paint this small star in Snow Owl, and then you're going to glue it to that front covering the tab.